Attention. Focus on duties. Allowed. National anthem. O God of all creation,
this is our land and nation. Justice is our shield and defender. May unity, peace and liberty. This is the country of our God.
And the England national anthem.
God save our precious king. Long live our noble queen. God save the queen. Send her victorious, happy and glorious, long to reign over us. God save the queen.
Look, back to position.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you. Happy? Good. Nearly exam time, so you've got time for your revision now. So let's get really good results for the last term, shall we?
Yes.
We have to send them, those of you who've got sponsors, the sponsors are looking for good results from hard-working children. So people to help an African child through sponsorship, it's because they want you to do well in life. So we've got to show them that we can do well. Can we do well?
Yes.
Have we got happy house power?
Yes.
Have we got happy house power? Yes.
Oh, we have got it. We'll see with the exam results. Well, thank you very much. We're here this week, next week, after a night, having a few days, because it's Mama's birthday. You're celebrating that I've made it to another one. So, do well, please. I'm looking forward to seeing all your results. You're clever kids and you're hard working, so we know you'll do well. And now for the special treat of the week. Radio Watamu.
Good morning. Pardon, I didn't hear you. Good morning. Crikey, you nearly deafened me. Well, I've got some very, very sad news this morning. Very sad. Mama's team didn't win. Ah, sorry, Mama. Manchester City missed a penalty with 3 minutes to go, so they only drew 0-0. Sorry. Uncle Ronald, did your team win? Of course. 5-1? Yeah. Wow.
Is it time for me to ask a question now?
What question?
What did Leeds win?
And Manchester United, they was playing. They was losing 2-0 after 10 minutes. And then at half time they bribed the referee and they won 3-2 with a lot of help from the referee.
Excuse me, Radio.
Yes?
What was the Leeds score?
It slips my mind, I forget.
I think you ought to forget you're a Leeds supporter.
1-1.
So you didn't win either.
No, I'm very sad this morning. I am very, very, very sad because we've gone from number 1 to number 3. Do not take an example from Mama, she's a naughty girl this morning. You see, when Manchester City don't lose, they get very naughty. You see, we lose nearly every week, so it is okay for us, we're used to it. So, but Chelsea won as well.
Isn't it a shame you've gone to number 3 and you were coming? You were going to kick the butt.
We are still going to
Now
come.
what are you doing?
We are still going to come.
No longer coming, they are going.
They're going.
Oh, we scored 5 goals, have we? Oh, very happy. Uncle Ronald is very happy this morning. You couldn't give us one of those goals. Then we'd have won 2-1.
You want to know what to do with it. Oh, shame.
So, sorry about that this morning. Sorry for all my Papa's Army. I am sorry, but we only drew 1-1. But next week we shall be there. 3-0. Yes? Uh-huh. Well, that's all the news for today. Thank you.
Something interesting from Uncle Ronald.
Good morning, happy school. How was your weekend? Mine was good too, thank you. Welcome back. Very active this week. As everybody is happy and that's nice. It's a very nice morning to start with a laughter. So mine is just to wish you all the best as you prepare for your end of term exams. Manage your time very well. If it's time for break, lunch time, just take your lunch or your snack and go back to class. Do your revision as expected. We do hope that when you do your exams, you'll have very good results. Otherwise, I wish you a nice week. Thank you.